Welcome to the RCM Level 2 Playback videos. This is example review test number 3. We are in the key of C major. We have a 4/4 time signature, and this example is 2 measures in length. We have a C major triad, so go ahead and play that with me. I will play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back for me. Okay, for the answer, turn to the page 48 of the RCM 4-star sight reading and ear training test book. Thank you.